All right, here's the walk around you had requested to see how much I've gotten done. This is the burn pile. And this area here is where I've been concentrating most of the work. There's a wood pile, a wood pile that I've put together. It's a pretty good amount. And this was all covered with big root balls, bigger than this one. I'll be moving this one over today. That one right there. And I whacked out a bunch of trees here. That one will be gone. I should be getting most of this. Well, I'll be attacking more of this. This is going to go to the burn pile. Knocked a bunch of that stuff out. This is a nice bunch of wood to be split. And then I even got into some of this stuff over here, as you can see. Even I'll be picking at some of this stuff today with the tractor. Cut up a bunch of this stuff, so this is a bunch more wood for us to be able to burn. So yeah, got quite a bit. There's still more down there I could do today too. So that'll give you a good feel for what we've got done. This is what I woke up to this morning when it hadn't previously predicted snow. This is what our place got. And of course the truck is covered. Pulling out. It's beautiful up here, that's for sure.